So my name is Magee, and I'm studying international human rights law as part of a Master's of Studies program here. Saying international human rights law is the theme of this program is a little bit misleading because in order for you to know that really well, you have to know a whole bunch of other things, like what happens domestically in the legal system and socially, and then other aspects of international law. So what happens if there's armed conflict or war? So that's what inspired me, was getting entranced with this notion of legal reform in the US and using the court system effectively. And then for over half my life, my country has been involved with armed conflict, but I've never felt the effects. So that's kind of where my interest turned internationally. So currently my work is based in Myanmar. So being so far away and so remote was a bit challenging. The internet doesn't always work. Downloading documents takes a lot of time. And then of course, my colleagues and tutors are incredible, and not being able to meet and engage with them in person. Well, I'm quite lucky, so I feel like I've double dipped and been a part of two colleges. So I'm a member of Kellogg College, and also where I stayed for our summer session was New College. So Kellogg has been incredible throughout the fundamentals, which is the remote part of my program. My advisor emailed right away to ask if I had any questions about this crazy college system and about navigating Oxford in general. And it was really nice being remote to have that contact and feel like I was part of the university already. And I think the college system really allows you to get to know your colleagues a lot closer than if everyone was living in separate apartments, and it gives you kind of a home base to start your Oxford intellectual journey. So there's a group of about 30 of us this year, and we're based all over the world. So between us and the people in the second year, you have people working in the Arctic in Canada, you have people working in Sierra Leone, you have people working in Cambodia, and Libya. And so the range of perspectives, I think you hear people talk about an international program quite a lot, but this really truly is an international program. And so while it's really been incredible and crucial to learn about the practical implementation, being here at Oxford is just unparalleled. The resources you have and the kind of minds that Oxford attracts, really, it's just unparalleled. Like, for example, we could I could have a breakfast conversation with one of my colleagues who works at the UN mission in Libya, and who are quite good friends, and then we're taught by the UN Special Rapporteur on religious freedom in the morning, and then in the afternoon we're listening to someone from the International Law Commission who's designing the draft Crimes Against Humanity treaty. So it's just one incredible place that attracts a lot of incredible people, and I don't know if I would have been able to find that anywhere else.